VETIVER Glow. The scent notes is wood, amber, oak moss. Love this bright orange color, and y'all see I do have it in the 3 weeks. Sorry. Love these bright colors from this collection. Oh my goodness, I have not burned the 3 wick yet, but baby, when I tell you I've been using this Wallflower oil inside of the diffuser, that's what I have going right now, as you see. Yes, y'all, this smells so good. I am really enjoying this scent. Now, when the very first time that I used this Wallflower, the first thing I was smelling was citrus, and I'm asking myself, why am I smelling citrus when this is clearly a woody, warm scented fragrance? But I personally feel like this is very much a amber forward scent. You really get that amber note. Also, it's slightly woody, but it's not like your super warm woody scent. To me, this comes off more of a fresh woody. I really like this one. And at the time that I was reviewing this, I was drinking coffee, and sometimes whatever you're eating or drinking can kind of change the way you smell things. So yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm not sure I'm not sure why I was getting that citrus note. For some reason I was, which I don't think there's citrus in this, but again, as y'all do know, Bath and Body Works don't usually put all of the scent notes in this, but this is really nice. It kind of reminds me of like the Cozy Cashmere family. It's kind of giving me that, but it's not as warm as Cozy Cashmere. This is good. I really like this, but I'm not sure about the name, y'all. I'm not sure about why did they name this VETIVER Glow, because it doesn't have any vetiver in it. But again, like I said, they don't list all of the scent notes. Vetiver is like a grass. I'm not getting like heavy earth tones. To me, you get that wood, that slight wood scent, but for me it's more of that amber. And then also the oak moss that's in it, it kind of smells like it might be the same oak moss that's in Moonlit Graveyard, because it's kind of sort of smelling similar to that. So that's the reason why I'm thinking the same oak moss that's in that scent is the same one they used in this one. But it's nice. I really like this scent, and as y'all do see, I do have a total of 3 of the Wallflowers. I most definitely could say that this might be hoard worthy for me. I like this scent that much. I'm hoping the candle give me the exact same thing that the Wallflower is giving. I don't know about the throw. If you know about the throw, please leave that down in the comments, because if this is a candle that I need to hoard on the next sale, I really need to be getting this, because a lot of the stores is not going to restock this. Once this collection is gone, it's gone. So please, if you've used the candle and the candle has more of a medium throw, please leave that down in the comment area so I'll know to grab more of that. Even though I'm gonna grab more, but please let me know, is this scent hoard worthy for you? Now, I most definitely feel like it's hoard worthy in the Wallflower. Yes, so hopefully I get the same vibe that I'm getting with the Wallflower that I get with that candle. Just saying, I absolutely love the moss note. I just love that note. I really do. So leave down in the comments, what do you think about this VETIVER Glow? Is it something that you passed on? I personally feel like this is a unisex scent, And when it comes to the throw is more of a medium throw. You most definitely notice it in the room. It's not a powerhouse in this room, but it's almost. It's almost a powerhouse. So it's most definitely a medium high scent using the diffuser. As y'all see, I have it going. So yes, this most definitely is one to grab. If you don't choose to hoard it, it's most definitely backup worthy in the Wallflower. So again, I most definitely will be grabbing more of this scent because I like it that much. Cozy vibe, chill vibe. If you gotta do like class work, or you know, you gotta do some work for your job, yes, this is the scent to have going because it's just relaxing. It's not too much. I love it. I love this scent. This is good. This is really, really good, y'all. I'm just saying, leave in the comments, what is your thoughts on this VETIVER Glow? Leave that down in the comments. That's gonna be it for this video. This is a short one, y'all. Like I said, I like the scent. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Hopefully once this run is gone, hopefully this will be a candle or a scent that they bring back. You know, hopefully it won't be a one and done because this is good. I love scents like this, universal scents that you could just use all year round. It's not necessarily a summer scent or a fall scent. It's just a nice scent. This gives me luxury vibes. This most definitely could be a scent that you smell in a luxury hotel. That's the vibes it's giving me, luxury hotel. So yeah, what do you think about it? Leave that down in the comments. Do you get luxury hotel? Do you get more of a woody note? Or do you get more of that fresh note? Or are you getting a lot of the amber in this scent? Leave that down in the comments, y'all. Again, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use and follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. Also, shout out to my MVP riders. Thank you for holding me down. Thank you for watching any and everything I post. And I'll see y'all in the next one. All right. Peace.